Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legend. Today we are here in Mill Hill Broadway in northwest London, in London Borough of Barnet. So without further ado, let's take off. Right, drone's up in the sky, as you can see. We're now just going to zip around, do 360 photo. And all the birds already got shook. When I have my drone in there, they just get shook. So anyway, what we're going to do, 360 photo, and then we're just going to zip around this area. So we're just going to see what's in this area. So we're right beside the M1, so you get a shot of that as well. So yeah, we'll do a 360 photo, and yeah, you can actually hear the M1. You can hear the, and the crazy thing is that the M1 actually starts in Staples Corner, which is where the drone flight previously in my last few drone flights. So yeah, we do 360 photo and then we'll just zip around this area. All right, 360 photo is now complete. Let's just zip around this area. So as you can see, we've got the M1 right here, and this is the area of Mill Hill Broadway. We'll just get a shot of that. And yep, the M1's that way. Should we go towards the M1? Let's go towards it. There's shipping containers there as well. So we've got train line as well, going to Mill Hill Broadway. Look at that long line. We'll just follow that for a little bit and then we'll just come back. Look at that amazing shot in it. Let's get a top down shot. Look at that, that looks sick. Of course the cars are going much faster, but it's 70 miles an hour for speed limit. But the cars opposite is going, it's appearing as it's going much faster because the drone's going the other opposite way of it. Look how fast it looks like it's going. So you crop in, it looks like it's going really fast and the drone's stationary. Amazing, innit? Unrivaled shots. Get a shot of this area down here. I wanted to get a shot of this area, so that's why I wanted to go there, just to like see what was down there, so you get a clear view of that. Look at that, nice little shot here at the side of the M1. And we've got this little roundabout. This is why I came here, to get a shot of this. Get a static shot of this area down here. This roundabout, look at that. Really interesting. I was thinking of taking off from there, but you can't really see much from there, so that's why I thought of just doing it from here. Literally just get a nice static shot in this area. Let's go a little bit forward as well. I want to get a top down shot of this. Can hear some loud car. Let's get a shot. I could get a shot of that, but it would take too long. So plus I'm in this area now. I wanted to get a shot of here. So there's a Shell here. There's a KFC in this area. There's quite a lot down here. You can see what's down there, but then we'll go a bit too far. So we'll just see what's down here. We've got a KFC in this area. So let's get a shot of this KFC. we get a shot. What's that? What's below us? There's a lot of solar panels here. I think it's an Asda. It looks like an Asda because it's green. I'm not sure. Let's find out in a second. Is it an Asda? For my small screen I can't tell, but you can definitely tell where it is, so I'll see it in editing anyway. Let's follow this orange car going down here. And there's some shops here in this area. Look at that, it's getting a nice shot of these shops. Getting blasted by the sun. Let's go here so you get a nice. See, look, nice area in this area. Could go down there, but we'll go a bit too fast, so let's come back down the M1 and we'll get a shot of it. And then we'll just get a shot of the local area in what's it called? Mill Hill Broadway station. So let's hit the M1 now. It's crazy, it's like we're going on the M1, but high above it, high above the M1. Let's join the M1 again, and we'll get a. Let's get a different kind of shot. We'll get a unique shot. I'm going to get a shot of this bridge and the trains as well. The train line goes right next to it, which is amazing. Look at that, we're getting a nice top-down shot of the M1. Let's go in sports mode. This motorway goes from Brent Cross all the way to north of England, towards Yorkshire, that area, to the north. Look at that, we're getting a nice shot in this area, look at that. We're coming back a little bit slower because of headwind, because the wind's facing northbound. Should we go to the south of M1? We'll do that in a bit. We'll just follow the M1. We'll follow the local area as well. We'll get a shot of the local area. We'll go down this little Broadway area. We'll see what's down there. I don't know why the FPS changes so frequently in this drone flight. So we're at the Mill Hill Broadway area. Get a nice shot down here. Got another roundabout down here. Get a shot of this roundabout in this area. Let's orbit this roundabout as well. It's a nice area to fly. Look at that amazing shot in this nice sunny day. Should we go down this road? Let's check out something different. Check out the area of Mill Hill Broadway. Look at that, we're getting a nice shot of the motorway, look at that. We know we haven't got sideways shots yet. But let's go down. We should get a sideways shot. Yeah, let's get a nice sideways shot of the motorway. So we'll follow a car going this way. Then we'll just go sideways. You know what, let's follow the train. Yeah, let's follow the train going this way. Look at that, that's an amazing shot, isn't it? We're going at a fast speed as well. Let's check out this area as well, down here. Check out the gardens. And what we'll do, we'll come back towards this way. Get a nice sideways shot down this area. See it, we're coming back in headwind. So yeah, let's just make sure we're local, just in case we have problems. Which I doubt we have problems anyway. The wind's not that strong, but just want to be safe in case any gust comes, strong gust. It's got to be extra cautious. What I want to do, I want to go down to the south part of M1. I mean, south of where I've been. I've only been to the north part. Let's go to the south part. It's good to get a shot of different areas like the motorway. There's some construction happening there. Let's see what's going on down there. I mean, the drone's moving a bit slower now because of the winds, but we're going in headwinds, so we're not going to have a problem coming back, so we should be safe. So we've got some construction happening in this area. I wanted to get a shot of this, but I don't think we will. Because look how slow the drone's moving. Imagine we were out there when this has happened. This would have been bad. Because that means we could potentially get stuck. We could potentially have our drone stuck to an area that we're... See, it's moving. There's some construction happening. I think the gust has passed us now, which is good. That's why I stayed stationary for a bit, because I didn't want to fight the gust too much. So there's some construction happening here. Let's get a shot of this area down here. What we'll do is come back now. We have to come back because our drones is running a bit low. We can hear a fast car or fast motorbike. I think it's a fast motorbike. We'll probably see it in a minute. Actually, yeah, we see it. We see that motorbike. Crazy, isn't it? Look how fast we're going back now. We've got a train as well. Yeah, you know what? Let's come back now. Because our drone's 15%. Would have been good if... You know what? I haven't got a shot of this side yet. I was supposed to get a shot of this side, but we can't do it now. I mean, in Lakeside, I actually tried my drone again charge it locally because, to be honest, this area is just a residential area, so it's not really special. So anyway, let's land the drone now. It's an amazing drone flight here. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Mill Hill Broadway in the London Borough of Barnet in northwest London. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.